Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we'll use a very simple mantra to help bring us back into the present moment. Begin by finding an easy seat. You might choose to sit on a cushion right on the floor, or on a chair or sofa. Imagine you're being gently pulled up by a string at the top of your head. And as your spine begins to lengthen, let your shoulders relax and your arms settle comfortably. When you're ready, let your eyes soften and, if it feels okay, allow them to close fully. And before you change anything about your breath, take a moment to notice it just as it is. Simply observe your breath in this moment, noting its length, its temperature, its quality. And as you become aware of your natural breath, pay attention to how it shifts as you begin to gradually lengthen your inhales and exhales. Over the course of the next few breaths, allow your inhalations and exhalations to get progressively longer, deeper, fuller. And again, return to your natural breath. Notice once more the quality of your resting breath. Every time you become aware of your breath, you create a connection to the present moment. Each breath calls you back right here, right now. Allow every inhale to become an invitation into this space. Let every exhale invite you back into this time. Each breath becomes an opportunity to return to the moment again and again. As you maintain awareness of your breath, every time you breathe in, silently repeat to yourself, "Here." Every time you breathe out, silently repeat, "Now." Inhaling here, exhaling now. Find your own comfortable rhythm. Continue repeating these simple words. If your mind begins to wander, lovingly return to the words once more, breathing in, here, breathing out, now. Now gently allow the words to dissolve, but stay connected to your breath, simply observing it. Let your breath remind you to stay very right here in this very moment. It's easy to get lost in our thoughts, distractions, or interminable to-do lists. But meditation can teach us to be present no matter what is going on in our lives. Your breath is always with you, regardless of where you are or what you are doing. So the next time you're overwhelmed, distracted, or overstretched, let your breath invite you back to here and now. Take one more deep, expansive inhalation and one more full, complete exhalation. Begin again to reconnect to your body sitting on the cushion or chair. And when you're ready, bring small movements back to your hands and feet and gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a great day.